11 Health benefits of mangoes. Despite being season-bound, mangoes are a must-inclusion in our fruit baskets. There are several health benefits of mangoes that should make anyone rethink why they have not made eating these fruits a part of their lives. In this article, you will discover just about everything that the mango tree offers for a healthy living. Now, I will explain. 11 Health benefits of mangoes. 1. Cut down the risk of cancer. Benefits of mangoes are rich in antioxidants, and including it as part of the food you eat shall assist in reducing the risk of cancer. Antioxidants are substances that help in cutting down substances that have elements of oxidation in the body, which means the few radicals that could be present in the body and leading to one having cancer are cut down by stimulating a faster process of breaking them down to smaller pieces, hence reducing the risk to cancer. 2. Lets you have a better skin. There are so many complementary synthetic products that you can use for your skincare, but mangoes come with collagen, which is a protein that assists with the vibrancy and elasticity of your skin. If you are looking for better skin, then eating mangoes could assist. Applying mangoes directly on the skin as a mask also assists with giving you better skin. 3. Aids in curing respiratory problems. So you are out of mango seasons and you cannot get the fruit, that's no problem. You can use mango leaves to treat several respiratory problems. Pluck the leaves from the tree and boil in water. Add some honey to taste. This shall assist with a cough, bronchitis, a cold, and the extreme cases of asthma. Use mango leaves to help with respiratory problems. 4. Slow down the aging process. So your birthdays come year in and out and you have reached a point you even forget that it's your birthday. The scare of aging and not being energetic comes once in a while in every mind. Is it the wrinkles you want to keep off? That's simply cut slices of mangoes and apply it on the skin. This shall help with the aging. 5. Better digestion. How often do you get digestion problems? Or the digestive process is not fast enough? With esters and terpenes, mangoes help fight stomach acidity. Mangoes have fiber that also helps in keeping away several disorders related to the stomach and the digestive system. Making mangoes part of your diet pays off. 6. Regulates blood sugars. No need to ask the benefits of mangoes and how mangoes regulate blood sugars. Here is how this happens. Anthocyanidins contained in mango leaves helps in treating early diabetes. Soaking the mango leaves in water overnight and drinking the somewhat bitter water shall assist in regulating your blood sugars and containing risk to diabetes at the early stages. 7. Improves eye health. How much does it cost to get a pair of glasses from the optician? Understanding the vitamin requirement that the eyes need for its health is a root answer to better eyesight. The eyes need vitamin A, which is the vitamins the eyes need to keep healthy. More intakes of mangoes translate to an intake of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes' health. 8. Your brain can benefit from mangoes. What does it mean to have an unhealthy brain? Having a brain that is dysfunctional translates to the entire being a shadow of its full potential. Mangoes contain vitamin B6, which helps the brain to produce neurotransmitters. Your cognitive abilities are enhanced when you have sufficient vitamin B6. This is one of the numerous benefits of mangoes. 9. Avoid constipation. Being constipated is never a good experience. Constipation brings a lot of discomfort to the body when eating mangoes rich in fiber, which helps the intestines to have a regular pace. One can reduce the chance of being constipated. 10. Manage your weight. We already did mention an element of avoiding diabetes above. The moment the body is insulin resistant, then the body responds in a vague way towards the hormone insulin. This means the body shall not regulate the intake of glucose, translating to irregular intake and overweight. Eating sweet mangoes as a natural food option could then regulate the levels of insulin in the body and risk of developing resistance and associated weight gain. 11. Keep hypertension at bay. Hypertension could be associated with heart-related diseases. Having a heart problem means your body's engine is down, and anything without an engine might not be in the position to move. Mangoes contain potassium, a mineral that assists in maintaining heart conditions and preventing cases of hypertension. Conclusion. Benefits of mangoes. Having a fruitful list of foods is one thing. But the benefits of mangoes are so many that it's important to have it included in your food basket. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
Wow, this is awesome.